fireworks are starting, guys. Yeah, YouTube.
You guys can see them. Look. Now we gotta wait. It's coming on.
They're coming. They're coming. We're so excited. We just can't hide it.
Can they actually see them on there? Look how cool these are. Now
they're more like in the distance, but you can still see some.
Now, if you guys can't,
if you guys can't, you can't really do anything about it.
If some of you never went to Canada Day to see any fireworks, well, here it is for you, all on YouTube.
Sweet.
Now you can add. Okay, I know this is a little late, but you can add me on MSN jasmine.bartlett@hotmail.com.
And I might tell you mine in a different video.
Woo!
Still, we're watching, we're excited.
It's so cool.
So excited.
If you guys were up here with us, oh my god, I would. Whoa. Can you actually see them?
See them, yeah.
I'm gonna watch them on this.
Now, these are gonna be good.
Awesome. And now, if we stop this, that means the battery went dead. So
yeah, it might stop because battery will die.
But
we still have some
videos.
And just in case it does die, video, response, comment.
Save this one. Turn off and save this one, and then go into another one. Save it.
No.
Press stop.
No.
Yes, because
tell her to be quiet.
If this goes dead. If it goes dead. That's why I told you to, because if it goes dead. And
she is so annoying. And everybody will agree with me.
If you really knew me.
Comment if you agree that she is really annoying.
Oh, no, please don't.
You can see them where they shoot something up. No, sweetie. Guardrail's too high for you. The guardrail's too high for you. Whoa.
That was loud.
If you heard it.
That was loud.
It's beautiful. Beautiful.
It's beautiful. Beautiful. She means.
A new word for beautiful. Beautiful.
Let's make that a hot topic on Twitter. Beautiful. P-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L.
Whoa, this is beautiful.
Hot topic on Twitter.
It's beautiful.
Oh yeah. It's beautiful.
Beautiful.
Oh yeah. We're beautifying it.
That red one was a nice one then.
Whoa.
We're here with my daddy and my sissy.
I think you should stop because if your thing goes off.
No.
Oh, you're not getting over
If
there.
it
No.
does.
We don't have it.
It says when it has 20% left.
Them red ones are nice.
She's still annoying. Comment. Remember.
No, don't. Please. Just watch the
Please
beautiful.
do. Watch the beautiful fireworks.
You see all the smoke. If you were here, you can see all the smoke going.
After the fireworks.
I know, and it looks weird. It looks like little.
It looks like a person.
It does.
Purple.
It looks like a person.
Yeah. We have great imaginations.
Oh yeah.
Now Amber is in here, as I said. So.
Yeah, Amber is in here right now. Please leave a message after the beep.
She's watching. She's watching fireworks somewhere else with my mom, as I said. So yeah.
Oh, it's a red one. Yeah.
Oh.
Look at that. Look. Woo. Oh, the purple is nice.
Oh, I said having fun with my friends or something, right? You got to put that on all of them because that's the new name. It says bye, you know. Whee!
That's it. It'll have a good finish.
Next is
Here we go. There's going to be a good one here.
put it up a little. Like that. So you see it. Do you want me videoing? Beautiful.
Please do not drop it.
I'll try not.
If you drop it, it will kill you. Maybe you'll be gone down there looking for it.
Loud, isn't it?
Yeah.
These are nice colors. They're like green, red, purple, blue. Awesome colors. And just
Some look like stars, but exploding stars.
I know.
Shooting stars. That one was cool. It looked like a bunch of shooting stars.
Oh my god, I love this stuff. It is a bomb. It goes boom.
Oh, you can't, so you gotta get in your seat.
Cause baby, you're a firework.
Come and show your work.
Make them go
Oh, this is gonna be good. Look at this.
as you shoot across the sky. Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, candles burst.
I think this is almost over.
As you shoot across the sky.
That must be it.
Hey guys,
Oh, there's more. There it goes.
fireworks are basically over now.
Soon,
We're soon gonna let you go
because
because my battery's dying
Cold?
and I'm freezing cold. Yeah. The grand finale. It's probably not the grand finale, but you know,
for you guys,
it's the finale for you guys. Da 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 da. And I'm
Alright.
going to sing a line of a song for a second.
look, it's actually
Tick
moving.
tock on the
Dude,
clock,
it
but
looks
the
like
party
it's
don't
moving.
stop. No, oh, whoa, whoa, oh, oh, whoa, 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 whoa. I cannot
Alright.
sing.
We're gonna stop it now because considering this day. See ya.
See ya, bye.
We'll get back to you later. Goodbye. Leave comments and stuff. All right.
And subscribe.
And
See ya.
goodbye. After this one.
After this one.
Okay, wait a couple of minutes and then we'll.
Yeah, we wanted to show you this one.